Coming up.
Can't tell if they're inside the vehicle.
Police, stop! Stop!
31. 240, 240, 240.
Show me your hands right now!
The following video footage is brought to you by the thanks of Ohio State Highway Patrol Central Records Unit. Viewer discretion is advised.
Back from aviation.
We need to go. I do not have a good angle here.
The trooper by the semi.
What? We need to move.
I can't tell if they're inside the vehicle. I think the black guy's in the vehicle.
No. Get. Watch behind us.
Who's creeping up to the truck?
You see any movement, 7-5?
No, I don't see any. I'm going to creep up, at least block the entranceway. We have stop sticks ready for the trip.
Okay, I'm seeing some movement in the vehicle. I believe a white male is in the driver's seat.
They're starting the vehicle.
We need to move in. Police, stop! Stop!
They're taking off, they're taking off! They should hit 725, they're taking off out of the west area. Southbound.
Okay, taking out of southbound.
Switch over to talk on the radio.
725, really regular traffic.
Okay, I'm going over to regular. I'm going for 75.
Oregon.
75, go ahead.
Alright, I got eyes for southbound to 176, left lane, traffic's light, speed limit at 130.
Left lane, southbound 176.
He just hit a car. He hit a car at the 176, silver car.
Okay.
All agree. Just let Perrysburg Township, let all the northern guys know, and MSB.
Right, we will.
725, get anybody out there with you behind you?
Negative, it's just me.
Okay, the SO's took off, they're headed your way.
Okay. Speed's 100, 176 southbound. They're just driving all over the road.
176 southbound.
They're intentionally running vehicles off the road. He's got a gun out the window. I'm gonna back off a little bit.
Bowling Green, I can have spikes at the 171, right at the Signet exit.
Just be careful, they tried to hit me head on, and they're trying to hit other cars, and I believe he pointed a gun out the window.
Okay, spikes at the 171.
Just make sure we have cover. Coming up to the bridge at southbound, the 174, he's in the middle lane, speed's 100.
You got somebody with you, take him out.
I can't right now. Nah, they're going straight down, straight down. Who's giving me permission to take them out?
1844, guys, go ahead.
At what speeds?
At this point, it does not matter. As long as you've got a unit close to you for backup, take them out.
Okay.
That is the correct RP, right?
The RP's covered.
Anybody else have eyes on 75?
Right.
Okay.
All green, they're pointing a gun. They just shot at me. Bowling Green, they just shot at me.
Still going southbound 170.
Bowling Green, he shot one at me.
Shots fired.
Bikes are at 160. About the 170.
Correct. N60.
Bowling Green, I crashed out. I'm catching up.
Seven 725 checkup. You okay?
Oh yeah, just, a little spin out. I'm coming.
Okay, did he exit Signet?
South 168, you made initial contact 168 South Silver Subaru.
158 South.
Right now, okay. I'm just catching up.
Okay.
Someone want to take the radio?
Someone confirmed at 39.
7 South, center lane, lane traffic.
167 Center Lane.
10-6, you got traffic. You got radio.
What's the fire gonna say it was? I only have one unit with them. 167 South, center lane, 103 speed.
103 speed. What county did you pass on the radio?
10 entering Hancock County. Right lane 166 South, swerving, light traffic, center lane.
166 South Right Lane.
Wondering any update on aviation?
No comment.
Before you board, I still got permission to take them out.
As long as you've got enough units with you, take him out.
Okay, I got two behind me and Sheriff.
Right, take him out. The higher the speed, the better. We need to end this.
I know, he's shooting at me though. He's shooting at me. He not shot at me again. We're passing this 164. He's on the right shoulder, right shoulder.
164 right shoulder.
Speeds are 100, center lane.
Aviation, are you on the radio?
164 South, center lane, speed 113, hit the shoulder again, right shoulder. Left lane 107, light traffic. That's fine, you good?
I'm fine, just trying to prepare my rifle.
Got rifle ready, I got rifle ready. 163 south, center lane.
163 south, center lane.
112, right lane. Light traffic. Approaching the scale house.
Approaching scale.
Breaking scale house. He's going into the way station.
To the way station.
The way station, going into the way station. We should probably block off the on ramp. Affected.
We're good, Walk Green. Heading south again at 162, middle lane.
Southbound 162, middle lane. 1060, okay?
Okay, we're good. So, approaching the unit on the shoulder.
I can't put my seatbelt on.
Okay.
Exiting 161, exiting. Correction, continuing south, up, right lane, speed 100.
Southbound 161.
It's about the 16.
Bikes up to 160, aviation in the air.
161 south, center lane.
Just be careful, he's shooting at us.
1241, stay by right there. Swerving, center lane, 102 light traffic.
Center lane.
He's got a gun out, he's got a gun out.
Front shoulder, right lane, light traffic, speed 94, 160 south.
Try to hit this bike.
Negative, negative. Center lane, 108, light traffic.
Okay, that's the bike.
I want to read that to the dispatcher. Can they contact us or
You reached in 30 minutes here.
Going to read more with the hotel SRT.
Okay.
159 south, speed 105. Right lane.
Right lane.
Slowing down, slowing down, slowing down, slowing down.
39.
159. We're rolling again, center lane.
159, center lane.
Speed 63, we're slowing down, right lane.
Slowing down, right lane.
Come out, please. Exiting 157. Continuing south.
Southbound 157.
$82 miles an hour. Left lane 83.
Left lane.
United 6637, let's get close to the 140 area, find a bridge filler.
Going down, 55, right lane, going down.
55 in the right lane.
15 east, heading 15 east, exit 156.
Exiting 156.
$18.44. If something happens, are we using deadly force since they've already shot at me?
deadly force is warranted. Take it easy.
Okay.
Check out.
South. 15 mile marker south. Right lane, left lane, light traffic, speed 80. How many units are with you? 4. What's the 39?
They were up 15. 10. They were up 15.
They're right up here. Next bridge pillar. Pull over to median. South 14. You guys have the units to take him out. We need to crash him out. Going to set up with spikes at the 137.
Morgan signal 6 just hit my right side of my patrol car.
Yeah, okay, so 5 was track. 139, so they were up 15 south of mile post 14.
I'm up to 13 now, speed 98. He's still over the road.
Speed 98.
Picture of you fires everywhere.
Nathan, they were where?
Again, when you have the chance, you need to take him out as hard as possible. South of the 15.
Okay, south of the 15.
Left lane, 894. Light traffic. We're approaching the construction zone.
Left lane, approaching construction.
Going down east. Right lane, still continuing. Approaching the 19, coming in the construction zone. Visual contact. Fire. Good.
I don't know, that was freaking awesome though.
Ordering contact with me again. We're still rolling south.
Okay, contact with 725 again.
Right, we're in the construction zone.
ET44, I've tried multiple times, I can't get him out.
At the 20 now, right lane, still swerving at people, 92.
At the 20 in the right lane, swerving at other people.
Right lane still, he's 102, he's in the right lane, straddling the center lane.
Right lane.
Units, left lane, Congo, units, get left. Approaching the 21, approaching 037.
Approaching State Route 37.
Exiting at 37, exiting 37.
87 units per 121, do not use stop 6.
Oh, we're stopped at the exit ramp.
Stopping at the exit ramp. shots fired.
Bullet range. Wow, 2 rounds. Bullet range in the median. We're back on the on-ramp.
Okay, 1060, did you shoot 2 rounds?
Right. Using the rifle.
Okay.
Any of our unit injured. Crashing out. He's still in the ditch. I'm gonna use slow. Still in the ditch. Might get stuck here. Approaching up. Township Route 240. Shot 31. Township Route 240. 240. 240.
Show me your hands right now!
240.
Green, we got. Someone take the radio. What do you guys take the radio? The radio. Yeah, I think I hit him. He's down. Hey, get over here. Get over here. No, we cannot see the passenger. Driver looks like he's down. You guys, safeties.
Do not have eyes on it.
Steven, we need to see both your hands. Both your hands. It might be up on his hand or his head.
What, Jeff?
It might be up on his head.
What do you mean, what might be up on his head?
His hand.
Oh.
There's not really a spot.
Is the driver's left arm on his head, guys?
They can't see it.
Okay.
Rodney, are you hit anywhere?
Ronnie. Okay.
Ronnie, are you hit anywhere?
Dude.
Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down if you've been hit. Thumbs up, you've been hit.
Okay.
Thumbs down.
You gave a thumb.
Dude, it was like a half thumb. I don't know.
Ronnie, are you able to climb up on the passenger seat and exit out of the left passenger door? Yes. We're going to have you come on our side, not your side. If you can come up that seat and come towards us. We want you to come into the back, get in the back seat, and come towards us. So climb up your seat. Yep, climb up your seat. You're going to be coming to the left, okay? Back seat, and then left door.
Chef, I got driver.
Don't worry about nothing like that stuff, okay? We just want to get you safe. So keep your hands visible the whole time. We want you to climb over to the left side.
Left side.
Yep, back seat. We're going to have you exit that back left door. See what I'm talking about?
Ask him if he's able.
Get that RU off our channel, please.
We can't hear you, Ronnie. Ronnie, we can't hear you. It's safer on this side for everyone. Just climb over.
Oh, okay.
Yep, just keep your hands up the whole time, okay? You're going to come up on the left side. Left side.
Watch his waistband.
I'm sure you guys can see the passengers moving around pretty good.
Yep, keep your hands straight out.
We're giving them demands. We're trying to get them both out of the vehicle.
Yep, keep coming, Rod. Keep your hands visible, okay?
If he wants to climb out, let him climb out.
Ronnie, I'm not sure if the door's unlocked. You might be able to reach down and grab that handle and open it. The handle's right next to you. You want me to pull your pants up?
He's coughing from the pepper.
This is the gas, I know.
Just collect yourself.
It's okay, collect yourself. I know the gas sucks, I understand that. Once we get you out of that truck, you ain't gotta worry about that gas. But there's a handle to your left. We're gonna have you try to open up that handle. I'm not sure if that door's unlocked. Yep, to your left, okay, Ronnie?
Left.
There you go. Right there.
015 in Town Road 240, County 32.
Okay.
You guys got
Yep, just keep your hands visible. Brace yourself and come out.
You guys got the passenger,
Just
right?
keep your hands straight up, okay?
I got driver still.
When you get out, just keep your hands straight up. Straight up. Yep. Keep your hands straight up. You're going to walk towards the patrol car. Straight towards the patrol car.
Did you want him to walk that way?
No.
Okay. The back. The back.
To the back of the truck. Go to the back of the walk to the back of the truck.
Can you pull his pants up?
Yes, you pull your pants up. That's fine. Pull your pants up. Just keep your hands visible. Don't reach anything in the back.
I got driver still.
Don't. Okay. Hands up. Hands up. Keep your hands up. Walk to the back of the truck. Straight to the road.
I got
Keep your
driver.
hands up the whole time.
I got
Keep your
driver.
hands up the whole time. Now you stop. Stop. Now you're going to walk towards us.
Back.
Walk towards us to the stop sign. Hands up. Hands up, okay? Walk to the... Yep, walk to the stop sign.
I got driver, Jeff. I got driver.
Go back. Keep your hands up. Let's go. Keep coming. Keep coming. I'll turn around and get there. Walk to the road. This way. This way. Hands up. Turn around. Walk backwards now. Walk backwards. You got hands up.
Hands up. Hands up. Hands up.
Don't touch him. Get him behind the car. Let's go. Behind the car. Keep coming. Keep coming. Good. Get behind the car.
Making contact with passengers. Their security now.
Yep, cuff them, search them, search them. Yep, hey, someone get a light, flashlight on them, visible, make sure there's no guns. Huh?
Passenger 73.
Steven, are you,
Last traffic, 1015.
Steven, are you able to get out of the truck now so we can help you?
Passenger is going to be Ronnie.
Sorry, dog.
You're good, man. Go to the right. Gets a little deep.
Stop moving. Stop moving. Stop moving. Stop moving. Hey, get out of the car.
Help.
Get out of the car. I got hands. Grab his hand. Grab his hand. Stay here behind you. Roll him this way. Just cuff him here. Just cuff him right here. Don't worry about it. You got it?
Great.
Good.
Like, comment, and subscribe for more police arrested footage.